Hi, this is Ashley with Right By Me, and today I figured I would do something with the little flower specimen card that we made yesterday. And I think I'm going to turn this one into a tag, and I have this hand-dyed, coffee-dyed repair tag I thought would work and look pretty nice somewhere on it. I was thinking like here, but it could really kind of go anywhere, really, right? I don't know why it's so blurry down here, but it's like crystal clear now up here. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So, yeah. Now I'm really just figuring out where that looks good. I think where I kind of had it, right? Yeah, okay. It's a little loud. Let me turn that down a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I didn't really set out with a bunch of plans. I got these. These are new. Maybe there's some stuff in here. Oop, that just kind of went everywhere. I like that. I recently did a bunch of moving around in my house. I got rid of 8 pieces of large furniture, and I don't know how it fit in the house to begin with, but we got rid of that, and I'm so happy. It looks so good now. And unfortunately, one of the things I got rid of was my TV stand, because I hated it. So I had to buy a new one, and that came in, and it's huge, and I gotta put it together, but it's super heavy. I don't think I'm gonna find, do you like that though? So, but I do love this one, so I gotta do that tonight. Looking around, maybe something. Don't have high hopes to find something I want in this, but we can look. No. Not these this time. What about one of the postcard stamps? So this one's kind of pink-ish. I got this like purplish one. I guess this one's got some pink in it. I think I like that purple one though. Let's do that. Where did I have this? I think I had that right there. Okay, and looking at my cart, seeing what else I got. I got a bunch of stuff. Oh, okay. Still here. I should have pulled some stuff out prior to sitting down. So I'm looking. I could use a piece of this that we've made. Well, that I was making off. No, not this time. Needs more. I did pull these out. I think I'll probably use one of these. So I'll put that aside. And then maybe some book page. Oh, you know, I have this entire thing up here. I don't know why I'm not looking. Like, literally at this stuff. Brain fart. Alright. Okay, let's see what speaks to us. I have that, which would fit perfectly, like right there. So maybe that. That's a really long one. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna find something I want more. Actually, I kind of have an idea. I think I'll use that then. I had an idea for something else on another project, but I think I could utilize it on this one. Now the question is, do I do it all the way through? I think I do. So, at least for now, I'm going to ink I think I actually want to do a little distressing with scissors. Okay. Now I'm going to leave that side how it is. Okay. Okay, set that aside. Well, at the very least, I know I want this down, so... let's get this down. Okay. And yeah, I want it right there. Okay. Where's my little squeeger? Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Now, it's got these like little date things, and my idea was to like punch some of these, and it would show on the back too, but that's fine with me. That's what I was debating earlier. So I like doing this upside down so I can see, like, you know, so it looks like it got used, like a ticket, like a multi-use ticket. At least that's my idea. I'm gonna punch like 2 in that one, and then like 1 there, and 1 there. Right? I don't know. Maybe not everybody's move, but looks a little funky on the back, but that's okay. It's interesting, right? Okay, this is gonna go here. Maybe something like that. Okay. Okay, gotta check where I'm at here. So that's gonna go on that line right there. Okay. That corner didn't get put a little dot down. Okay, and this one's heavier, so I'm gonna put the more expensive glue. These are vertical. I want the vertical. It's a deep burgundy, but it should be. Glue this down. Good. And now I'm going to do some stamping because that's what I'm doing these days. Some of that. Oh, come on. Get that out. And then, I don't really know. We'll start with these in black and then go from there. So I want some numbers to go like in those lines. Sorry, I keep dropping things again. Like this big one right here as well. Let's start with those. I need to have my little extras sheet out. There we go. I'm going to have that cross over into that a little bit. A little bit wonky. But I like it. Down. Alright, set that aside. Let's do that one next. Oh, I keep touching the ink pad. Okay. Skip a couple lines. Okay. Okay. I think I am going to pull out my red. A number for here, here, and I think I'll do that in red, or at least one of them in red. Actually, I think I'll do this telephone and then kind of have it going in between the two the best I can. That one needs special attention, so I'm going to set that one aside. Okay, how are we doing? I have this red pen here too, and I think I'm just going to make some like mark that, and I think I'm going to circle some of these numbers here. Like that there. And I think I'm gonna do some check marks. Like that. There's a date thing here, so I think I'll just pick a random date and try to do my best handwriting here. So I'll do 9. I wonder if they do dash. Let's do 5. And then this says 47, so I think I'll do 47 as the year as well. Okay, and then a number, I think we'll just make up a number. There, like that. Okay. Got a little... Okay, so that's what we got. Do we like it? I like it. Okay, so let's finish it off by finding a ribbon or something. Oh, I have this red. I started off as doing pink and then all of a sudden it became red. But I do have this red ribbon. That's a bit much though. It's a little strong. I have this pink. This pink ribbon. Actually, I think we might just do... Oh, that fell. Sorry. Here it is. I gotta cut a little piece off. Seam binding. And I don't think I have access to the color I would want. Ay, sorry. How annoying. Okay. I guess I could do it the other way. Get out. Take a sip. Oy, okay. Put that back. I haven't done this before, but activated it with alcohol ink, like brown. About to get very messy. It's okay. That looks cool. All right, let's... Yeah, I like that. Not quite the right color pink, but that's okay. I'm just gonna... Not gonna see much, but you'll see some. Especially back here. There we go. Yeah, okay. So it took me 27 minutes to do one darn tag, but you know, I keep saying you know how slow I am, but I really, really like how it came out. So yeah, I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. So let me know what you think. I think I'm gonna leave it here today because we're about out of time. So thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much. That means the absolute world to me. And I hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye.